Hi guys, today we're going to be playing some Subway Surfers and we are uploading a video. It's upcoming. So if you're new, subscribe to the channel and also join my 234 subscriber club because that will be ending once you click that subscribe button. If you haven't yet, don't unsubscribe. Yeah, so join that. I said 134, I mean 234. And also, our shout outs today go to Power of Gameplay, Geotography Void, and last but not least, the winner of our gift card giveaway, Geotography Void. That was our gift card giveaway winner, so props to him. And also, I am subscribed to his channel. After you go subscribe to me, go to Geotography Void. There's an American flag at the end of his name, and go subscribe to him. He's trying to get to 200 subscribers like I do. So go help him out. And also, we're having our gift card giveaway would be revealed on December 31st, but I just revealed it. Geotography Void, my cousin. Yeah, Geotography Void. And also, if I get to my 10 pyramids, I will get a haircut. So I have to not avoid all the mountains I see in this one. I have to get each and every mountain Tricky could get her hands on. So that's gonna be a hard challenge because I like having my hair long during the winter. In the winters among us, so yeah. And this will also mean getting to 300 subscribers by the end of 2023. Guys, get us to 300 subscribers by the end of 2023. You blew us away by getting us over 200 subscribers in 2022. That was our record year. So how about we do the same we did in 2022 or even more? So thank you guys so much for 234 subscribers. I didn't even think I would make it to 100, but I have 234. I just can't thank you more for what you've gotten to. And also, if you haven't yet, like the video and subscribe. Like I said, boy. And also, I have I'm gonna start having a live stream with my mom that goes on every 24 hours starting on Christmas. So yeah, it will be at 5 p.m. Pacific. So 8 p.m. here on. Okay, I lied. It'll be 5 p.m. Pacific every Saturday, and if you join, you'll also be rewarded with your own goodie bag that we'll throw at the camera that you're watching. Mom, is that funny? And I'm also trying to get a tripod for my birthday. If you hear heavy breathing, it's my dog. And we just broke 100,000 points. And we're gonna try to get to 400,000, so we're about a quarter of the way there. And I'm having a blast playing this game. Comment down below if you're having fun watching this too. You're better at Subway Surfers than me. Comment all that down below. That's why YouTube has comments. And also, My favorite update in Subway Surfers has to be Shenzhen. Yeah, and my dad's home. Dad, say hi to the channel. Okay. Hey, Dad, there's Subway Surfers music playing, so if they didn't hear you, my dad said hi. Dude, am I gonna get this? Yo, I got this sick thing. Yo. Okay, that's the end of the video. Maybe we didn't get the best one, but we still got the sick board.